Then you're gonna leave me.
I know.
You're gonna have your green card and your credit. You're gonna be like, bounce.
I'm out.
Good morning, guys. Didn't think I could do it, could I? I decided to stop looking ugly on YouTube. So I took a second and did my makeup for once. Today, we're going out to explore the neighborhood, finally. I just finished cleaning the house. Brody was doing the pool maintenance stuff. You're doing great, baby. So now we're just gonna go out, grab a snack, do some last minute Christmas stuff. Not that we need to, but we're just gonna go explore the neighborhood. So yeah, come with me.
Oh, I see a spot. I fucking see one. Unless that's valid. That's valid.
Baby,
There's no stop sign.
but you know you don't have the right of way there, right?
Why not?
Because he's going straight and you're turning. Yeah, put it. Your signal on.
The signal is on.
Good.
Oh,
Ah,
no.
damn it.
One eternity later.
We found a spot finally. Anyways, we're here now at the mall in great spirits. That place over there. This is actually one of the best mall food courts I've ever been to, so that's exciting. That's right around the corner from our house. But yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Ramen. We got Japanese fried rice. Brody got a hot dog and a stick. I love corn dogs, but I love ramen more. So, yeah, whatever, babe. Hey guys, we're back in the house.
Freezing.
We went to the mall just like to browse and like look around the neighborhood, but it was
really fucked up wall. That was fucked up.
yeah, it was a bad idea because it was the Saturday before Thanksgiving, so we should have known. There's a lot
Christmas.
of, oh yeah, before Christmas. Yes, there was a lot of like car, parking lot, road rage, all that good stuff. It was terrible. But then we ended up buying Brody a new car. Here's your new baby. He looks good.
It does.
Sweet, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the other key. Here's your back. I want to show you.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Us a new car.
Buying us, you're right, baby.
It's ours. It's not just mine, dude.
Buying us a new car, but it's Brody's Christmas present.
No, it's not. That's a fake.
It's one of Brody's many Christmas gifts. Brody is spoiled is what I'm trying to tell you.
Bullshit. Both spent money on this.
I know, but it was my credit. And
I got us over the hump, yes.
the goddess over the
You're a ghost.
Yeah, they call Brody a ghost since he has no credit at all. Not bad,
All
but just none. He just has none because he's Canadian. But soon, like literally after this year with like the mortgage and the car payment, you're gonna be like so set up, and then you're gonna leave me.
I know.
You're gonna have your green card and your credit. You're gonna be like, bounce.
I'm out.
Yeah, he wishes.
Well,
So right now we're just going to eat dinner, change into our PJs. It's been a really long day. We were at the dealership for at least 5 hours, it felt like.
no, we were at the dealership. No, we were at for 5 hours. We were there.
Yeah, because we got there at what,
We got
3?
Yeah.
And it's now
That's
9.
what I mean.
Yeah, so like 6 hours almost, but.
Where's my phone? I ordered cheesecake.
You're ordering cheesecake?
I did.
I thought you were doing the barbecue.
I changed my mind.
Wait, you should have got me a cheesecake.
Oh,
You didn't tell me.
sorry, baby.
It's okay.
Sorry, babe.
Get him a car. He doesn't even think about me. No, it's okay. It's probably for the best. Okay, guys, I'm here to take off my makeup. There's so many drawers here. I don't remember which drawers I keep my makeup wipes, but I use these ones. I think they do the best job. I usually wipe off my makeup with these and then like really wash my face. I'm gonna keep my hat on because I have major hat hair right now. And y'all don't need to see that, so. How did you know that your baby boy? That was uncalled for. Up these lashes. I'm getting so good at lashes, guys. It only took me like a minute to put these on when it used to take me like 4 days. Mary, did you know that your baby boy? I have that song stuck in my head because I was listening to the Pentatonix Christmas album. And that album goes, yo. That album is A1. So with the second towel, I use that to wipe off the makeup on my glasses. Us four-eyed girls know the struggle. We also just have makeup from your nose bridge and your cheeks on your glasses. And you don't want that. I took off my hat because I'm gonna wash my face. I'm just gonna put my bandana on. I use the Clinique foaming cleanser. It's almost done, it's pretty much done. And then I use the Clarisonic brush to wipe off like the deep inset makeup. So this usually vibrates, but I haven't charged it in a minute. It's like telling me, nope. Damn, I'm gonna have to do it manual? Like I'm living in 1990? Yeah, babe? What? My nighttime routine.
Oh, you doing video stuff?
Mm-hmm.
I'll be close. I'll be downstairs.
Okay. Now that my face is dry, I'm gonna tone my face with Clinique toner. I used the number 2 and also this one is running out. What the hell? Everything's running out. I have to get a new one of these, but I actually often don't use the toner anymore. I'm starting to really change up my routine a little bit. So I'll probably have an updated version of this like next year sometime. Because, I don't know, I'm starting to like other things and want to try other things. But Clinique will always be my day one. So I got this CBD face oil at 7 cents and it's been doing, I don't want to say wonders, but I like it. It's like a lightweight oil. And I mixed that with my Clinique Smart Right Custom Repair Moisture Cream. It's a night cream. Sometimes I just use the CBD oil on its own because it's pretty lightweight and does the job, but I don't know, I think I need some extra moisture these days because it's winter. Look at that glow. I go in with my Vaseline because your lips need love too. Nothing worse than dry lips. And a little trick, I always took the excess and would sleek down my brows. And that is a quick version of my nighttime routine. Ah, that's the ornament she was talking about.
Oh, this is Christmas ornaments. So you knew what she was saying.
I literally did not know. This is hilarious.
Throw this out.
Throw what out? You can't throw this out. Aww. Did you paint this?
So,
Oh, good. Oh, you can put it in one of the other rungs. There's like hooks all over. Yeah.
this will be for both of us.
Okay, like household gifts? Okay, that works for me. You want to put your ginger ornament?
Order food.
Oh, don't put it in the back.
Yes, I can see it.
Believe it. Geico could save
No.
15% more.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers who have subscribed. I'm gonna really try to make my vlogs longer than 10 minutes moving forward because I know that you guys are so interested in what I have to do and say. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm gonna try to get longer vlogs going. It's just so hard because really I don't do much during the day, and Brody also doesn't let me post a lot of stuff that involve him because he's like still kind of shy. I need to break him into this whole vlogging life. But I appreciate you watching. Also, I know I lied to y'all and said that I was gonna post the house tour after the initial house video. But after I went through the footage, I realized that it was not good. So I have to refilm it, but obviously now we have furniture in most of the rooms. So I'm just gonna make it a furnished house tour. So I just wanna make sure it's perfect. So just bear with me, it'll be up soon. I'm all ready for bed. My face is clean. My lips are moisturized. All good. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.